Here you go, guys. Here's a side-by-side comparison. This is the stock Yamaha. Wasn't in the worst condition, but if you can see just this right here, just me pressing this, it goes down, and this is the new motor mount. Solid. Well, solid as it doesn't have the space here, but it vibrates. But yeah, 3 down, 1 more to go, but it's gonna rain, so I'm gonna continue tomorrow. Okay guys, I was able to successfully remove the last motor mount. It was a bit difficult, but you can access the 2 bolts, as you can see right there. 1, and then a little bit under here you can actually access the top bolt. And then on this side, if you put your hand down here with a ratchet, you can access the last 12. You lift the engine up. Here you go. If my phone could zoom out. Okay, nope, that's it. You lift the engine up and you should be able to slide the mount out, slide the new one in, keep the OEM shims, and that's it.